What's up guys, today we're installing this. Alright, so today's video is about how I came up with this and how I got it to this stage and then how we're going to install it. So first thing I did was scrolled the internet, got some inspiration, found something that I kind of like this NASCAR kind of drag car style spoiler. Thought it would look pretty sweet on the tailgate. So I went online and found kind of some inspo for some shapes that I like, and I came up with this. I designed it on via CAD. I can show you that right now. Yeah, designed it on via CAD, sent it over to the cut shop. They cut it out on a water jet for me. Originally I had it cut out of 10 gauge steel, but it was just way too heavy. So I had them redo it out of 10 gauge aluminum, and as you can see, this thing's super light. Yeah, so after it was cut, I went over to Epic Rod and Custom yesterday, and I had Sam throw it on the bender for me, got it bent up, came out super sweet. And then yesterday after that, I got, as you can see, the letters taken off of the tailgate with the 3M eraser wheel. Started taking off a little bit of the side adhesive from the box caps, but the drill decided to get really hot and crap out on me, so I'll have to finish that later. But now I will show you how I got this from looking like that to looking like this. Let's go. As you can see, I've went through and used the transfer punch to get the holes marked out. I then drilled them out with a little pilot bit and then got bigger and bigger until I got the correct size for the rib nuts. I then installed the rib nuts, and then yeah, we're ready to basically put the spoiler on. So let's do that. All right, so as you can see, I got the spoiler put on here. We used some stainless bolts that I've had collected kind of over the years from building that thing. Yeah, you know, over the years I've probably been working on that Camaro for probably like honestly like 10 years. But over the years I've collected a bunch of knickknacks here and there, and a few extra spares helped me get the fasteners to put that thing on there. So yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet, man. Fucking stoked on how it turned out. There are these like small holes along the tailgate that I am likely going to put some strut rods on there. I think that would look pretty cool since the holes are already there they were like under the bed cap. So since they're already there, I think it might as well put some struts on it, make it look a little bit cooler. Gonna take a polisher and polish the tailgate, and then I am eventually gonna get it powder coated, probably gloss black as well. So, all right guys, so there you have it. Spoiler from start to finish installed. Obviously it's not completely finished, but damn fucking close. I think it looks sweet. I'll have a little bit of B-roll so everybody can kind of see what it looks like installed, but that's it for today. See you next time.